New listing alert. 2622 Brookdale Road, Moorhead, MN. Picture a recently updated Rambler, inviting you into a world of comfort and style. Imagine 3 bedrooms on the main floor, offering accessible living at its finest. Paired with the allure of newer stainless steel appliances, setting the stage for your culinary escapades. Now step outside, feel the gentle breeze as you lounge on a maintenance-free deck. Picture an abode that caters to your storage needs with 4 sheds and a versatile basement ready to morph into an additional bedroom or a snug living room. Envision a home that comes with included appliances like a washer and dryer, presenting you with a truly move-in ready experience. Don't let this tranquil retreat slip away. Schedule your private showing today and open the door to the home of your dreams. Call 218-979-1722, Rochelle Roesler at Century 21 FM Realty today for a partnership built on trust and excellence.